Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your learning with Pluralsight, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Pluralsight website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to explore the homepage and familiarize yourself with the layout. Use the search bar to find specific courses or topics related to your interests. Once you find a course, click on it to view the course details. Examine the course description and the skills you will acquire. Look for the course length and the format of the content. Click on the Start Course button to begin. As you progress through the course, take notes on key concepts. Utilize the pause and rewind features to review challenging sections. Engage with any quizzes or assessments provided within the course. After completing the course, check the Suggested Courses section. Create a personalized learning path based on your interests and career goals. Take advantage of the Pluralsight assessments to evaluate your knowledge. Explore additional resources like learning guides or community forums. Regularly set aside dedicated time for uninterrupted learning sessions. Keep track of your progress on the dashboard to stay motivated. Consider joining a study group or finding a learning buddy for support. Utilize the mobile app to continue your learning on the go. Review your notes regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Apply your new skills in real-world projects to enhance your understanding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.